Hi. Hello everyone. John Daly here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheeseburger. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Every step there is to make a delicious barbecued cheeseburger. And to make a cheeseburger, I pretty much have all the important essential ingredients here: buns, the meat patties. I got the pre-made ones. Cheese. I like to specifically love American cheese on my cheeseburgers. Lettuce, pickles, ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. Ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. And salt and pepper the burger. And that's pretty much everything. So, let me show you how it's done. Now, before I do, I gotta season my hamburger patty first. I cut up the lettuce. The type of burger I'm going to be making though, it's just a typical like cheeseburger, like the kind that you grill outside in the barbecue, and then you put whatever you want on it, essentially. But in my case, I like to make mine with the meat patty, cheese, pickles, lettuce, and tomato. Almost essentially more of like pretty much like a Burger King Whopper. A Burger King Whopper is like, or also a curry patty. So at the start, let me just get a knife and just cut up some lettuce and tomato for the burger. Now when you cut a burger, you want the lettuce to be like thin strips. Essentially, well, not too thin though, not super thin, but I like mine just to be like this big, or this thin. Okay, cut the tomato, the easy part. See, tomato, and lettuce. Now I gotta wash this lettuce. Oh, also an onion too. I also like onions on my burger. So, once I got the tomato cut up, let's put that to the side. Next I gotta cut up my onion. I ideally peel the skin. Oh, careful, hope I don't cry at this. Hope I don't cry. I'm sorry if my eyes peel a little bit. Oof. I gotta peel the skin. And then, wow, this is a beautiful onion. When you make a cheeseburger, you could just essentially also make it like make it without onions and lettuce and tomato on it, just ketchup and mustard if you want. Whatever your heart desires for with the burger. This is personally what I personally like on my burgers. I don't like a whole ton of mayonnaise on my burger, for example. I'm that kind of person. And that's well pretty much it for the essentials. But I like my pieces a little to be a little more bigger. So like probably about like this size. Like this size is fine. I just quickly have to wash my lettuce. Now, what I simply do next now is season my hamburger patty. Here it is. This is what it looks like. Here it is. Now I just got to season it quickly. Got to quickly season it with salt and pepper. Not too much pepper. Okay. What did I need? And here's my salt dispenser, which looks like a Scottish Terrier dog puppy. We'll put some salt on that. Okay, now I'm ready to take this outside to grill it. So the next video footage will be shot outside. Now, now it's time to get this barbecue started. By first getting the barbecue grill fired up. Yep. I don't think that one started. I think I have to try that again. Oops. Yep, that wasn't going to work out. What should we get now? Whoa. All done. Now it's time to construct my burger. Grab one of these ones here. Which one do I like? This one will do. Which one? This one. Picking this one. Okay, first you stick your burger like this. First I'm going to get the mayonnaise out. Spread some mayo onto it. Not very much. Oh shoot. Damn it. My bad. I don't like very much mayonnaise on my burger. And then next, grab a pickle or two. A pickle. Should be good too. Nice bit should do it. Some lettuce. Next, some ketchup. Mustard. Cool. Now some more lettuce. And there you go. This is my burger. Look how good that looks. The hash is on. Oops, I forgot to do this part. To crown your king. Oh, my onion sit out of place too. Yeah, the topping. All my vegetable toppings like lettuce and onions and so on. I always like to slide around my burger a little bit. There we go. Oh, this is sort of. Boy, this burger looks so good. It's time for me to take my first bite. That's a good burger. And that is how you make a good backyard barbecued cheeseburger, or burger. That's good. Hope you enjoyed the video.